So, yesterday I did a little crazy thing, as in, there is this um, show that was released yesterday. Show, as in, it is a three, kadu, 4 episode series called The Crime Scene, The Vanishing at the Cecil Hotel. Cecil Hotel, oh my god. I mean, this particular hotel exists in Los Angeles, and this 21-year-old Canadian student of Chinese descent or whatever, she was on this trip um, across America, I think the West Coast, and then when she came to Los Angeles, she stayed at this hotel, and then she went missing. So it is like this particular hotel has a history of I mean, murders and rapes and no, it's been said that like finally they found that uh, that's what I don't want to give it away because it's a crime show, right? But it's like there's a certain amount of paranormal activity that goes on there, because of its history of so much of hurt, pain, and anguish. Because apparently in Los Angeles, there's this area called Skid Row, which is where which is in Los Angeles, but is supposed to be one of the poorest places on the planet. I mean, not just in America, but because it's like this homelessness and drug addicts, drug addiction, and people are, like the homeless people are squatting on the roads, and that is just within walkable distance of this hotel Cecil. And it's if you watch the show, it'll throw light on the fact that unlike in India, there in the States, I think there are these certain places where hotels where which can almost moonlight as low income housing for some people, like I mean, they run it as a hotel and a section of it is low income housing. So, but you need to watch the show. Yeah, it's already a 2 minute video, but it's called The Vanishing Crime Scene, The Vanishing at Cecil Hotel. So, do try and catch it. It is a very unique show. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.